Shape Plastics Group, comprised of both Pliant and Net Shape, machine tonnage 17 ton to 2,200 ton, share in our engineering product design capabilities. Some of the things that you won't typically see in an injection molding facility, you will not see people trimming parts at Pliant Plastics. You'll see actually very few people sitting at presses. We minimize as much labor as possible by maximizing on our automation equipment. At Pliant Plastics, we have 38 injection molding machines ranging from 17 ton up to 250 ton. That includes multi-shot machines as well as vertical insert molding machines. How we support the customers from a product design starts in the beginning with rapid prototyping.
We can take your design or an internal design and turn it into a rapid prototype in a matter of a few hours. We were able to take this product and turn it into a part probably in about 3 to 4 hours, and we supply these parts along with the quotes, and we're also able to take larger tonnage parts and pare them down into a smaller size and do them either in sections or in chunks and possibly glue them together and be able to make larger parts with the type of footprint we have for the machine.
Here's an example of our two-shot capability. This is a 250-ton two-shot capable of running 2 dissimilar materials. The advantage of being able to run the two-shot is rather than having 2 separate molds to produce one product, we can produce that same product with 1 mold. In addition to injection molding, we do a tremendous amount of assembly or value add for our customers. In particular, parts that are extremely tight tolerance with several parts that need to go together, we provide automatic assembly for these parts. If a customer has a special need that requires a class 10,000 clean room, we are able to support that. We're now at Net Shape. The only difference between Net Shape and Pliant is larger tonnage machines. We have 600 ton up to 2,200 ton machines. At Net Shape, we also do value add both away from the press, at the press, and in the press. What you're seeing here is a Branson welder. It's one of the largest vibration welders that Branson has ever produced. It's producing an office furniture product that we produce in 10 different colors. So we saw an assembly that was offline. We also do assembly inline at the press where we're adding value. Here we're putting a wire harness, bulbs, and studs in one of our EA's energy absorbers. NetShape is very well known for their energy management expertise, both in energy absorbers as well as anything that has to do with energy, chair, seat, chair bases, anything having to deal with managing energy. So you've seen where we do assembly in the ID time at the press. Not only do we do it at the ID time of the press, but we go even further. We do assembly inside the press. This particular press is a multi-shot press capable of doing a variety of different materials. It's one of the largest multi-shot presses in North America. In addition to conventional tools, insert molding, multi-shot molding, we also do stack molding. And all of our machines have RJG cavity pressure monitoring systems.
The RJG cavity pressure monitoring system allows us to track the pressure of the plastic inside the mold in relationship to time, and we can integrate that into the robot. The robot will reject parts if they don't meet specific alarm requirements. If the parts don't meet the spec, it'll alarm out the machine and it won't allow the robot to extract the part. Therefore, the operator would never have the chance to inspect a bad part. So this is the first layer of our quality system.
Today we've given you a brief glimpse of our capabilities. Thank you for your time, and we invite you to come visit us.